Has anyone else been feeling a little bit like Baloo from Jungle Book? Really scratchy, blooming winter skin. It gets me every year. And last year I found a product that worked and I didn't share it with you. And this year I'm going to share it with you because it's absolutely genius. And my itchiness was so annoying that I even had to take a Piriton, and no amount of putting moisturiser on made it any better. It was just basically I had to keep on putting moisturiser on just to kind of alleviate it, but it was still very itchy. The product is called Ameliorate. Ameliorate. Doesn't roll off the tongue as a really great brand name, but it actually means to change something that is unsatisfactory. So once you understand that, then I guess it sticks. I've always kind of struggled with pronouncing it. It was initially created for a skin condition called keratosis pilaris. Now that's a build-up of extra keratin in the skin, and it usually manifests itself underneath the arms into little kind of goosebumps that are very sort of raised and itchy. I don't luckily have that, but I know a lot of people do, and it's been a bone of contention to find something that helps for a long time. Dry brushing, oils, don't seem to work, but this is amazing for that. I don't have it, but it's great for my itchy trunk. Tummy. Trunk doesn't sound very elegant, does it? My trunk. Anyway, the Transforming Body Cream has just been upgraded, I believe. Get it from Amazon, you can get it from Space NK. It's really easy to get hold of. It's about £20. So it's, it's pricey for a body cream, but if you're itchy, it's a lifesaver. So it contains Alpha Hydroxy Acids, which help to exfoliate the skin, speed up the exfoliation process, which you'll find in a lot of skin creams. When I applied it to my skin, I was like, here we go. And it started almost like fizzing. I could feel it dissolving, the dryness. I was like, yes. No word of a lie, after about 2 applications, my itchiness had disappeared. Not literally 2 applications, but morning and then night. And then by day 3, smooth skin. I mean, literally, it's a huge thumbs up product. It's not an ad, this is a genuine, woohoo, get this if you have the same kind of itchy skin. I also, at the same time, I got the Nourishing Body Wash, which I didn't try last year. It may not even have been out. And it's got omega oils in it. I just got to that stage where I didn't want to use anything on my skin in the shower or the bath that was going to make it more dehydrated or suck any oil out of it. So this is really lovely, but it has no active ingredients in it, but it's nice to work together. So if you are feeling like me and a little bit like a character from Jungle Book, then I highly recommend you get it. Let me know if you've used it, if you loved it, if you don't. I look forward to reading your comments below, and I'll see you very soon. Have a good day.